How do you like to make more money by building virtual tours, either for your business or for other people? By the end of this video, you'll be able to build your first virtual tour even if you've never shot with a 360 camera before. So real estate agents, hotels, restaurants, those are just some of the people who need virtual tours, and you can be the one to shoot it for them. Building a virtual tour can be complicated depending on what software you're using. The software that we're going to be using today is one of the fastest and easiest ways to build a virtual tour. It's called Kuula. It also has some cool features for power users. And you don't even need to install it in your PC. It runs on the web, so you'll be able to create a virtual tour from almost anywhere. As long as you have access to the internet and a browser, you're all set. So the virtual tour that we're going to do today is for Radiator Springs in Carsland at Disney's California Adventure. I wanted to show you how the tour will look like when we're done. When we click on the tour or any photo in the tour, you can see there are hotspots everywhere. And when you click on them, it will transport you to that photo. You can also jump to any point in the photo by using these thumbnails in the bottom. Now you can, besides hotspots that jump to another 360 photo, you can embed videos and text and photos. So here's an example of a video, and it can even be a 360 video like this one. So step one is to go to kuula.co and create an account if you don't already have one. Just click on register, and you can create an account using your Facebook account or with your email. Now, if you need to take time to do this, just go ahead and pause the video or click on save to your watch list so that you don't lose it. Now, step two is to take some 360 photos. Now, if you don't have a 360 camera yet, there are four that I would suggest. First of all, if you want something low cost, that would be the Samsung Gear 360 2016. Now, second, if you want something that's easy to use, then that would be the Ricoh Theta SC. And if you want something that's high quality, that would be the Xiaomi Media Mi Sphere. And if you want something that has both high quality and is easy to use, that would be the Insta360 which can not only shoot in DNG but also stitch in DNG RAW. So in the meantime, just use the practice photos that I've already uploaded for you in this Google Drive. Check out the link in the description. Step 3 is to upload the photos. After logging into your Kuula account, click on the upper left corner and click on Upload. Then you can click on the button to select an image. So let's say we want to upload this one, it's photo 1. Click on Open. And you can include the description, let's say Practice Tour Plaza. When you upload a photo, you can change the heading. So let's say you want the first view to be this. Then you simply drag this icon, this blue icon, and move it to where you want the first view to be. You can also apply filters, stickers, text, and other effects. If you have a pro account, you can also change the privacy to unlisted. And when you're done, click on Post It. So that's how to upload the photo. Now, if you have a pro account, you can also do a batch upload. Click on the upper left corner, click on Batch Upload, and select the images that you want to upload. And will automatically upload them for you. You can also specify the titles in this same screen. And you can also change the privacy to unlisted. And then click on Post All. The next step is to add the photos to a collection. So to keep things simple, let's just work with 3 photos. This one of the Plaza, the V8 Cafe, and the Cozy Cone Motel. So click on the Plaza photo and click on Add to Collection. In the dialog box, go down and click on Add New Collection and create a new title. Let's call it Virtual Tour Practice. So now this photo has been added to the virtual tour practice collection. Now we'll need to do that for the other photos as well. So I'm click on photo 2, add to collection, and now you'll see virtual tour practice is there. Click on save. And we're going to do the same for the third photo. Now when you click on my collections and you go to that collection, you'll see that you can click on view virtual tour. And when you do that, you'll see that there are thumbnails for each of the photos, and you can jump from one photo to another. So this is the simplest way to do a virtual tour. But we're going to go a step further and create hotspots. So to do that, go to the photo where you want to add a hotspot. Let's say this one, and click on this pen icon, the edit icon, and then drag the screen to where you want to add a hotspot. So let's say we want to create a hotspot right here in this site. Then we click on the hotspot button, and you'll see that it creates a button right there. Then you can drag it around, reposition it. So you can click on this drop-down box and click on go to another 360 photo. And then you can select the photo that you want to add, and notice that it will already show you the photos that belong in that collection. Another thing you can do is change the icon. Let's say you could choose one of these. I like to use this one. So after changing the icon, you can also create a label for it. And I also like to change the background. I click on this, and you can change the color. And you can make it semi-transparent by sliding this alpha slider. And another thing you can do is click on scale to zoom or uncheck it. If you uncheck it, then zooming in will make it larger. Zooming out will make it appear smaller. You can also click on render as 2D. So with this option checked, the sign will face you no matter which direction you're looking at. So if it's unchecked, then as you rotate, the sign will change perspective as well. So I like to keep it as render as 2D. So when you're done making these edits to the hotspot, click on go back to main editor. And you can add another hotspot if you want. So we're going to add one for the Cozy Cone Motel. Again, I'm changing the icon. I chose render as 2D. And I'm calling it Cozy Cone Motel. And I want to go to another 360 photo. And I'm going to choose the motel. I'm going to add a background. And that's it. And if you want to add a video, you can also do that. You can click on add a video or text or open a link to another website. And when we're done, we click on go back to main editor. And the most important step is to click save. So now when we look at the photo, there's a hotspot here and there. And when you click on it, it transports you to that photo. So now all we have to do is add hotspots for this photo as well and for the other photo in the collection. And that's it. We have our virtual tour. So now You can click on any of these hotspots. You can go there, and they're all linked to each other. You can share this virtual tour by sharing the URL or using Twitter or Facebook, or you can embed it on your website. Now, to unlock the sharing features, you'll need a pro account. The good news is that Kuula is offering a special discount. Check out the link in the description below. Meanwhile, if you want to practice some more, check out the other photos in the Google Drive folder. And here's a map of Radiator Springs so you know where to put the photos. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more information on 360 cameras, accessories, and techniques, go to 360rooms.com and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in 360.